guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you are new, if you are new, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So today's video is another hair video. If you haven't watched my first hair video, go watch. She said she has. You're muted. Anyways, if you haven't watched my video, go and watch it now. It's right here. I think it's here or here, but I don't know. As you can tell, I've already started wearing my hair. Can you guess what I'm doing? Guess what I'm doing? My commenting down below. Let me know by the end of the video. Yeah, let me know how you guys like the install. So my hair's not actually white because last time it was showing white, but it's just gel. Yeah, so guys, I can't cornrow to save my life, but I think SA is gonna come and help me. I'm still learning to actually cornrow. This is my first time cornrowing my full hair. Obviously I did the cornrow thingy. So I'm gonna talk to you guys later. I'm gonna do a time lapse and stuff, and then we'll get into the install. I just spoke. Do you wanna say hi?
Yo.
No, my thing.
Listen, look. Just doing her hair.
Like the way that the hair like this.
When we flip, everyone wanna say hi. When we do it, tell them bye.
Yo guys. I'm trying to be more like real with myself. But yeah, guys, AB did the cornrow. Shout out AB. I'm gonna oil my scalp and then we're gonna install. But show them.
Guys, let us know if we have to go back to uni tomorrow. Like if we should go uni tomorrow. 3, 2, 1, go. Let me get there.
Yeah, I was about to ask.
And then guys, comment down below or just text her whether we should go back to uni tomorrow.
1. And
you turn me inside out and you change me. Gave me brand new heart, only you. The only one who won my heart today. Let's start again, but let's harmonize. Okay, never mind. I didn't know that was coming. Let's harmonize.
Hey, come on.
Wait, he's gonna go high, he's going low. I'll go low.
No, I wanna go low.
Okay.
I can't go high.
Okay.
Come on. 3, 2, 1, go. And you turn me in.
You turn me inside out and you change me. Gave me brand new heart, only you. The only one who won my heart today. I wanna do all I can just to serve you. Surrender my life just for you. The only one who won my heart today. You won my heart today. You won my heart today. Only you. The only one who won my heart today.
Shout at me for the meth. Shout. I'm gonna do like 1 layer of glue on my forehead. Yeah, shout me for the method, isn't it? I'm using the foundation to put on the wig. Okay guys, I've done the colour. Since the wig is being laid down and that, you know, man's gonna start doing the wax and that, yo.
The next day.
Today's vlog is about me going to a wedding. If you haven't watched my previous wedding video, go and watch it. It's somewhere up here. I did reinstall my red wig from my birthday. If you haven't watched my birthday video from last year as well, it's up here. I even had to trim my nails down, guys. I feel disgusted because I had to trim it down. No, but anyways, yeah, so I'm about to style the hair. I'm not really doing anything, I'm just straightening it. And I need to do like the middle part, like concealer. And then take this off and do my makeup and then wear the dress when my mom comes. Yeah, because she's picking me up. The wedding's in London. I think it's in Romford. Is that? I don't freaking know. I'm not from London, y'all. So please don't come for me, y'all Londoners. But yeah, let's get into the video. So I'm going to plug in my hot comb. I'm going to record at the wedding. But knowing me, like, I might not record a lot, but I'm going to try. But yeah, and I need to straighten it as well. Times like this I should be using my extension cord, but I just can't bother to bring it out. My dress is pink, so hopefully this does not clash with the hair, by the way. I mean with the dress. But yeah, I haven't done makeup since my birthday, guys. Deep it. My skin is tea. But yeah, my Geo. Oh my God, what a symphony. break. The day you told me you want me. I had it all, but let you fool me completely. Cause the way you played me. So watch your back. Cause you don't know when or where I could get you. I think I'm a job you wonder. Cause you just don't deserve what you ever after. So what you did to me, I did to me. Yeah, so sorry, I basically done my hair. Now I'm about to start my makeup. Let's see a lace review. Let's have it.
that cannot be moved. Just as an eagle, I found freedom in you, a peace which brings me through, deserving of worship in spirit and truth. The light of life shines through. Our greatest gift was you. But Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest day. Love, it flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. Here in my house, the ways of your past don't define you. Formed from the dust of this earth, true purpose was birthed. There is no promise that can be undone. I loved you that much that I deemed you worthy to receive my son. You saved me from the ways of this world, where Messiah reigns, everlasting love dwells. The one who is and will always remain. The wonders of Christ I still fail to explain. Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest day. Love, it flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah.
I'll never be more loved than I am right now. Wasn't holding you up, so there's nothing I can do.
Hi guys, so this is what I look like without my lashes. Don't do too much right now. Like, I'm not put the lashes on. No, I'm talking. Yeah, I'm not put the lashes on, so just bear with me. I keep straightening the hair. I know y'all probably like, why does the girl keep straightening the hair? Cause the hair needs to look good, you know. But yeah. guys, so I'm in the car. I didn't vlog my dress, but hi guys, I'm in the car. I didn't vlog my dress, but this is my dress. I'll show you guys when I get out of the car. But yeah, we're on the way to London. My mom's driving and that, you know, like, know her thing. But yeah, we're on our way. We've left the wedding. My makeup is now oily, but thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.
I have Jesus.
Psych!
Hi guys, it's Saturday, so basically you're spending a day, I mean a weekend in my life. You're spending a weekend with me. I'm getting ready for a friend's birthday on May, her birthday. She has a YouTube channel as well, so subscribe to it. I'm gonna put it on the screen. The theme is red. What a coincidence, my hair is red. Wow. But it's for 6. I am rushing because it's 5:54 and I still need to drive to someone's house. I think this is my first time showing you guys me driving. Low key, the red clashes with this red, so don't watch it. Black leather pants. Here. Hello. Where are you? I'm in town. To quickly glue some bits down. Sorry, I was taking pictures and one of the nail came off, so I need to glue that one quick time. I'll see you guys later because it's getting a bit too hectic. Bye. Hello? Could you send me your address, please? Guys, meet Bengal, my baby. Meet my wonderful baby.
Why isn't it focusing? Let me just do it like this.
Pushing Morayo in the background, you know, getting her to give us subscribers what we need. Okay, we need the vlogs. Okay,
like there, like there. See, say guys, we're playing Kahoot.
True or false?
Yes, I She has favorites.
That's favorite. So
yeah.
Wait, who put rap to bed with the me?
She has.
Spend time in her room.
That's the difference, you say.
You know, Bishop says do not associate yourself with unlucky people. I am the lucky one.
I wish I got your face. Karaoke, but we're doing the blind version if you can't tell.
I have decided to follow you. Don't turn it back. Don't turn it back.
Doesn't seem right these days. Life keeps getting in the way. No matter the it's always rearranged. It's so hard to say, but I gotta do what's best for me. You'll be okay. I've got to move on and be who I am. I just don't belong here. I hope you understand. In this world someday, but at least for now, I gotta go my own way.
Turn away from the truth. 'Cause I'm not giving up on you. Turn away from the truth. 'Cause I'm not giving up on you. There's a voice inside my head. You never read. What's been about it. Every step I'm taking, I make feels. Every move I make, it's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. It's always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about
I'm good at wasting time. Need lyrics, need to rhyme. And you're not asking. And I'm trying to grow a mustache. I eat cheese. Only on pizza. Please.
I know the song, but I forgot
it smells like feet to me, and I really like it when the moon looks like a tunnel, and I love it when you say my name.
5, 6, 7, 8.
If you wanna know, here it goes. Gonna tell you this part of me, transfer. Stay in the street, everything. But you remember that you asked for it. I'm trying to do my best to impress, but the song is
like a cover of another song.
Yeah, it's
in my brain, in my heart. Well, you asked for it for your perusing. At times confusing, possibly amusing. Introducing me. I never trust a dog to wash my food, and I like to use the word dude as a noun or an adverb or an adjective.
This feels like Gen Z before there was a Gen Z.
No, but this song is like, man, the teenage that was very cute back then. So the train drifting away to the sunlight. Oh, hello, hello, hello. Tell me more, did you go very far? Tell me more, like does he ever cry? I do.
This brings us so hot, bother.
For some bruising.
I went to the drive-in. What did I see?
The reason that I'm singing, I need to find you. I gotta find you. You're the missing piece. I am. There's no way to hold it in. No more hiding who I wanna be.
I have Jesus. They can have it all, but give me you.